Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. We are discussing paper of KVPY 2019 SX stream. This is question number 11 from part 1 and from the topic number system. This question says the number of ordered pairs A, B of positive integers such that 2a minus 1 upon b and 2b minus 1 upon a are both integers is a1, b2, c3, d more than 3. Okay, now to solve this question we need to take care of few things. Let me write them one by one. Number one, that a and b both are odd integers. Why both are odd integers? As a divides 2b minus 1 and 2b minus 1 should be odd number, and if 2b minus 1 upon a is integer, then a should be odd only. And similarly, b divides 2a minus 1 and 2a minus 1 is odd, so b should also be odd number, that is 1. Number 2, when we divide them, this 2a minus 1 upon b and 2b minus 1 upon a, that should also be odd. Okay, because if odd number is divided by some other integers completely, then that resultant, that quotient has to be odd number only. So these are two things. Now number 3, that is very important now, that if I multiply 2a minus 1 upon b with 2b minus 1 upon a, we can write this as 2a minus 1 upon a into 2b minus 1 upon b. Now both these quantities, 2a minus 1 upon a and 2b minus 1 upon b, they both are less than 2. So this product has to be 4. Okay, so this is third important thing. Now based on this, now I am going to solve this question on the next slide. Okay, so what we have concluded, that 2a minus 1 upon b into 2b minus 1 upon a, it should be either 1 or it should be 3. Why? Because their product is less than 4, and because they both are odd numbers, their product cannot be 2. Hence it could be either 1 or 3. Now I think we can make cases. First case, when I am taking 2a minus 1 upon b into 2b minus 1 upon a to be 1, in that case these quantities both will become equal to 1, 1. Okay, then only product will be equal to 1. Okay, in that case if we solve, we get b is equal to 2a minus 1 and a is equal to 2b minus 1. If we solve them, we get a is equal to b and this is equal to 1. So one of the ordered pair we are getting is 1, 1. Okay, now coming to case 2. When their product is equal to 3. Okay, in this case either 2a minus 1 upon b will be equal to 1 and 2b minus 1 upon a will be equal to 3, or converse. Okay, so here we will get 2a minus 1 is equal to b, or and we will get 2b minus 1 is equal to 3a. Okay, if we solve them, if I put the value of b, 2a minus 1 into this, we after solving get b to be equal to 5 and a to be equal to 3. Yeah, 3 into 2 6 minus 1 upon 5 is equal to 1, and 5 into 2 10 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3. So in this case my ordered pair will be 3, 5. Okay, similarly we can take the another case in which this will be 3 and another one will be 1. Let me write it here. 2a minus 1 upon b is equal to 3 and 2b minus 1 upon a to be equal to 1. In this case this ordered pair will be 5, 3. So we can see we are getting 3 ordered pairs, 1, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3. So answer for this question should be C, that is 3. Okay, so this completes the solution of this question. I hope you like this solution. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such solutions. Bye.